Greetings and a warm welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll be walking you through the application process for the University of Toronto Scholarships 2024. The University of Toronto Canada Scholarships in Canada for the 2024-25 session have been announced to pursue bachelor's, master's and PhD degrees for international students. Toronto University offers more than 5,000 scholarships to the most talented and outstanding students from all over the world. The University of Toronto is accepting applications from eligible students for scholarships in Canada with IELTS. The Canadian scholarships will cover meal costs, free residence, tuition fees, additional charges, monthly stipends and health insurance. The University of Toronto offers more than 700 undergraduate and 200 graduate programs. Additionally, I will present a comprehensive overview of the scholarship, covering details such as its benefits, eligibility criteria, required documents, and a step-by-step application guide, complemented by an online video tutorial. University of Toronto Scholarships 2024 details. Toronto University offers scholarships at both the bachelor's and graduate levels, with full funding provided. This opportunity is open to students of all nationalities, and the awards are available for study in Canada. The application deadline for this scholarship is January 12, 2024. Available study fields at the University of Toronto. The university, in collaboration with its various colleges, faculties, and divisions, bestows approximately 4,500 admission scholarships totaling nearly $20 million, in addition to nearly 5,000 in-course awards on an annual basis. These scholarships and awards cover a wide spectrum of academic disciplines, including but not limited to pharmacy, medical radiation sciences, biomedical communications, medicine, architecture, landscape and design, dentistry, education, physical therapy, physician assistant, forestry, information, nursing, occupational science and occupational therapy, law, management, engineering, social science, and health. For additional details, explore the list of bachelor's degree programs by visiting this link. Discover the list of graduate degree programs by visiting this link. Financial coverage. The scholarship encompasses the coverage of tuition fees, accommodation, food expenses, and a monthly stipend. It also includes opportunities for study tours in various countries, recognition for outstanding achievements, and provision of air tickets. Eligibility criteria. Prospective applicants must meet the following criteria to apply for the University of Toronto Canada Scholarships online. Eligibility for all, both international and domestic students meet the eligibility criteria. University confirmation. Applicants need to verify their acceptance by the university. English proficiency. Proficiency in the English language is a prerequisite for applicants. Academic excellence. Candidates are required to demonstrate a strong academic record. Health certification. Submission of a health certificate is mandatory for application. Required documents. The following documents are essential for applying to the University of Toronto Canada Scholarships. Online application form. Curriculum vitae CV. Official transcript. Research proposal. 2 recommendation letters. Personal statement of the student. How to apply. Verify eligibility. Before initiating the application process, confirm that you meet all eligibility requirements. Document upload. Gather and upload essential documents, including transcripts, letters of recommendation, academic certificates, and personal statements. Online application form. Fill out the online application form with careful attention to detail. Ensure that all required fields are completed accurately. Submission. Once the online application form is thoroughly filled out, submit it along with the supporting documents through the specified submission process. For more information, please click on Official Apply Online link. Video tutorial on how to apply. Unlock the path to success with our video tutorial on applying for University of Toronto Scholarships 2024. Simplify the application process and boost your chances of securing a scholarship. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and like the video for more valuable insights on educational opportunities and career advancement. Thank you all for watching that video. Love from Pakistan.